Hey guys, it is 10:30 basically, and I really wanted to film a video because all morning I've just been sitting around planning this other video that I'm going to do with my brother. So, I was thinking through what plans I have coming up, and I remember that tomorrow is our Bible study, and there's always kids in my room whenever that happens, and look at my room right now. Let's get to cleaning. So I'm gonna start by making this like more fun.
So my room wasn't a total disaster today, so it only took a little bit under 20 minutes, and this was so much fun, and I will see you in the next video.